So now let's talk about the main theme of the poem, Skimbleshanks the Railway Cat. So the first theme that we are going to talk about is perfectionism. So Skimbleshanks is a perfectionist. He is super sharp. He is always on time. As we see in the beginning of the poem itself, everyone thought that the train will be late because Skimbleshanks was nowhere to be found. But he arrived just on time. And also he is very particular about taking care of all the passengers in the train. So he makes sure that every passenger gets all the facilities in the train, they get the tea they like, and he also makes sure that each and every passenger is taken care of properly. Then comes duty and responsibility. So Skimbleshanks takes his duty and responsibilities very seriously. He keeps the whole train running smoothly, that everything is taken care of in an organized form. And if Skimbleshanks, if he will not be there, then chances are that things might fall apart in the train, the night mail. Then comes authority. So Skimbleshanks is very calm, very kind and respected. When he's there in the train, nobody does any mischief, nobody plays prank on him. While the train covers different stations, crew and carelessly, he says hello to all the station masters and the guards. So it shows that he has a very dominating authority everywhere, inside the train and outside the train. Then there is train journey. So overnight ride from London to Scotland is all very clean, cozy for the passengers. The passengers are very comfortable there. Why? Because of Skimbleshanks makes sure that everything is taken care of. He also makes sure that everyone gets the type of tea they like, and he is there when the train journey is going on because he is alert and awake whole night looking after the train and its passengers. And he's also there when the passengers, they get off the train, to say them goodbye and to say that they will meet again in the night mail in their next journey. Subscribe Beauty of Language for more updates on poems from all the ICSE, CBSE and state boards.